Today we're going to be playing with my puppet. Let's go. I'm on a sugar crush. I'm gonna fucking cash. Oh my god. I'm so happy that I'm finally get to play with my puppet and go on YouTube. And now that I have my own channel, that's even better. Let's do this side. I'm on a sugar crush. I'm gonna fucking cash. Maybe I should take a bath. Come on, get them with the F. I messed my words up. Oh well, I guess we could just... You see, that side does that, but this side doesn't. See? It pops, but it just don't drag. This is so fun to play with. I use this for my shirts. I have other fidgets. I'll show you them. Right in there. I've got this. Oh! You want to show my face? I've got this homemade sandbag. It's actually so fun. It's like anything you want in it, but it's super hard because I don't play with it. That's why. Then I've got this robot thing. See, it starts from here. It's got a switch screen. And it lights up when you pull it. So we'll just pull it. It's going on its own. I'm not doing anything much. My hands don't do anything. The wheels, this wheel, that doesn't control it, but that makes it go faster. And that wheel just makes it hold on to stuff. And see that top bit there? That's also what that wheel does. Alright, so that's one. Then I've got these fidget spinners. See? Fidget spinners. I'm gonna make another video on me showing my fidgets if I don't get enough time on this one. And then I've got this snake tangle. Then this is my super rare tangle. It's a pure black tangle and it was made in China. My cousins are from China. Super cool. I've got these fidget spinners. More fidget spinners and more fidget spinners. I've got broke one. Go on my TikTok and you'll see a video on me like trading broken fidgets. Got another broken one. You'll see that one in, and you'll see this one in. That doesn't even work. So you just put it on your finger and it worked to loop it. Then I've got this crappy one. You can't even spin it, but I'm just gonna pretend you can spin it. And say you can't spin it. That's also in the TikTok. And then you've got this spinner. Oh! I don't want to show my face. I'll show my face in the next video if I get at least 2 likes. See? It's going on its own. I'm not doing anything. See? Oh my god, you just see my face. Fuck it. Hi. I'm Lily. They're my fidgets. And that's basically all the fidgets that I have. I'm kind of broke, so I don't have as many fidgets. Time to put them all away. So let's put them all away. Don't ask why I'm being so quiet. If I do this, don't ask why I'm so quiet. That's all them away. Time to put my poppet in here. My poppet's like the rarest thing I have. So I always keep my poppet nice and safe in a little like tin bag or something. And I just put it flat down like that. So then I get bored. I'm just popping it. But obviously I'll just pop it back in. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be selling all my fidgets. So yeah. Sorry if you really want some of my fidgets. I'm just not selling them. I might sell a couple when I get older. I'm only 9 at the moment. So yeah, there's nothing really else for me to show you. I mean, I have stuffed animals. I could show you them, but I'd much rather do that in the next video. Oh, and I know it sounds like kind of childish of me, and I'm like, oh, I'm 9 years old, but this is what I do. I got a squishy stingray, and I pretend it's my pet, even though it's not real. And this is what it has in a little menu pen. I'm taking them out. They shouldn't even be in there. Now I've got to pour all the food back in. I know most of it's not going in. But that's fine. Not all else have to go in.